Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are all doing amazing. Thank you for tuning into today's video. Today's video is going to be all about my hair. I shared recently that I got my first sew and weave, so I wanted to come on and share with you guys how I've been styling it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more hair videos from me, definitely give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. We are all about living a fabulous life on a budget here, so I would love to have you. Without further ado, guys, let's get started. So the first thing I want to mention is where the hair is from. I talked about that in the first video, but the hair is from DSoarHair.com. They have a bunch of different hairs, textures, lengths. They have clip-in extensions. They have wigs. They have everything. So what I have is Peruvian straight. I will have the inches, but I think it's like two 20 inches and an 18 inch. It does come with a free closure. I did not use the closure, but it does come with one. So that is really good. And the prices of the hair were super duper affordable. So if you guys are interested in seeing the hair that I got, or if you want to see just what hair they have available, use the link that I have in the description box below. They always have tons of really good sales and deals. So definitely check out the description box if you want to save some money. All right, guys, let's get started. So every night I try to sleep with my hair wrapped. Some nights I forget, but by wrapping my hair, it keeps my hair looking healthy and shiny and not crusty and dusty. So I don't normally like wrap it. I just put the scarf on and then I put that little hair band thing on it to keep like the leave out down, and it works like a charm. So now we're going to just brush out my hair, and I'm going to add in a little bit of dry shampoo. It helps to take that shininess out of the hair, and the one that I'm using is from the Dollar Tree, of course. And this is the brown hair one. It works pretty well. Okay, next we're going to be using our straightener to curl our hair, and the straightener that I've been using forever is from Vanity Planet. It's their wet to dry straightener, and I really like this one because it has these rounded edges, so it makes curling your hair really nice. So I love this one. If I'm going to put curls into my hair, I always use this one. I do have an older one that I've had forever too, but this is the one that we're going to be using today. And what I do is I start off on one side. I take the piece, I wrap it around the straightener, and then I put it to the back so that it will cool. I'm not the best at straightening or like curling my hair, but I find by putting like these little bit of curls in it, it makes the hair come back to life, to look healthy, to look shiny, and give it like a little bit of volume. It doesn't take very long. If I want to like really have detailed curls, I might do it like smaller sections, or from like start underneath and then work my way up. But if I just want like a little bit of volume in my hair, I'll curl it this way. So once that side's done, we're going to move on to the other side. If any of you guys can relate, let me know, but I feel like this side of my hair curls so much easier than the other side. The curls on this side always look good and defined. They even stay a little bit longer, and I think it might be because I'm right-handed, but you guys can let me know in the comment section if any of you feel this way. But now I'm just going to repeat this process for this side, and then we're going to move on to the next step. So I'm not really big on hairspray or too many products, so I don't put a lot of stuff into my hair. The more stuff I put into my hair, the more often I'm going to have to wash it, and especially with this sew and weave, I haven't been wanting to wash it, so I haven't been putting a ton of stuff in it. So the curls don't hold as nice as I would hope that they did, or they probably would hold much better if I used hairspray, but I don't use any hairspray and they hold really nicely. So again, when I do get ready, I do have to redo this. It's not like the curls would stay, but I thought maybe using flexi rods would be good with this kind of hair, so I could just put them in at night and then wake up in the morning with curled hair. I like to do that with my natural hair. It's like so easy. But this is how it turned out once it's all done. Now I'm going to show you how I use these Dollar Tree scarves to up my game. So these are super simple. This is actually the infinity style. I just cut it down the seam. We're going to fold it twice over to make it like a thinner band. And and then we're just going to tie it in the back, and these look super cute in your hair. If you're not having a great hair day, or if you just want to like jazz up your look, I love the Dollar Tree scarves, and I love wearing them this way because I think they look adorable in your hair. So guys, that's basically everything I do on a daily basis when I do get ready. I don't normally get ready every day. Some days I just wear my hair in a ponytail, or I'll just throw a hat on and be like super easy. But if you guys do your hair or flat iron your hair every day, let me know. I want to know, do you guys flat iron or curl your hair on a daily basis? Put in the comment section down below. If you guys want to check out any of the hair from DSoarHair.com, use the link that I'll have in the description box, and don't forget to check out those deals that they have.